In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving geometric progression with the Casio Fx-991 ES classwiz calculator or the Casio Fx-570 ES classwiz calculator, the black one and not the white one of Fx-991 ES plus. After going through this video, you will be able to solve problems involving geometric progression with the Casio Fx-991 ES classwiz calculator. So ensure you stay with me till the end of this video, guys, because you are going to learn a lot. You will learn something that will help you in the long run. Okay, so before we get the Casio calculator and go into the details of the video, let's look at the question we have here and see what we are asked to solve. Okay, the question says the first term of a geometric progression is 7 and the fifth term is 567. Find A, the third term, B, the eighth term, C, the common ratio, D, the nth term if the nth term is 1701. Okay guys, very simple with the Casio calculator. Let's bring it now and go straight into solving each and every one of them. Okay, so guys, this is the Casio calculator, the classwiz Casio Fx-991 ES classwiz calculator. Now, the very first thing you have to do is to clear calculator. Very important, guys. If you have watched some of my videos before, you will get to know that I often say this, that you should be clearing your calculator. The essence of doing that is to put your calculator in default mode, because you might not remember whether you might have stored or put your calculator in different mode before. So to avoid unnecessary doubts, you are advised to clear your calculator so that you will not get to be seeing unnecessary error or unnecessary values in the course of solving your current calculations. Okay guys, having known that, for those of you that might not know how to do it, to clear, simply press shift button 9 for the instruction, press option 3, initialize all, so you press 3. Okay, then equal to stands for yes, there I press equal to. Then we are asked to press AC key, but I always choose to press equal to again, the same thing. So right now the calculator has been cleared. Okay, having cleared the calculator, the next thing you have to do now is to put your calculator in the mode that will enable us to solve geometric progression, and the mode that will enable us to do it is usually statistics mode, guys. So to put it in statistics mode, you go to this menu, then look for statistics. This is 5 vector, so statistics is here. This calculator is what? Option 6. So you press this button 6. Okay guys, very important. When you get to here, now you need to move down. You press this downward key. Once you press this downward key, you see these values. You come and press 2. This is for geometric progression, guys. Arithmetic progression has its own, but this one is specifically for geometric progression. You press 2. Okay, now when you press it, will bring it to this place. So you have to input the respective values for x and y. Now your x values will be the terms. Okay, we have first term and fifth term in this question. So we begin with first term. Press equal to enter. Then go down. Press the next term. Sorry guys. So you press 5 and it will enter. Press equal to. So go over to y. Very simple, guys. Now the y will be the value of the respective terms. Like in this question, we have 2 terms. So the value of the first term in this question, let's check it, guys. The value of the first term is what? 7. So you put 7 here. You put 7. Okay. The value of the fifth term is what? 567. Press equal to enter. Very important, guys. Now note that as you are imputing the values on the calculator is storing them automatically. So having known that the calculator has stored these values as you are imputing them, not that you are done imputing. Okay, so we can simply wipe them out by pressing AC key and begin to find what we are asked to find. So let's press AC key, having known that the calculator has already stored these values, so no need to be scared or panic, guys. So let's wipe these out. Okay, so once I wipe them out, it will show this thing on a calculator. Now this is very important, guys, very technical but very simple. Now to find the number of terms in this calculator, like option A, we're asked to find the third term, option B the eighth term. Very simple, guys. So to find the number of terms, look at how you're going to do it. So since we're asked to find the third term, let's begin to option with question A, question. So to find the third term, you press the number first, third term, that's 3. Then come here and press option. Follow me, guys, press option. Now when you press option, it will bring you to this place. Use this downward key, go down, and you see this option 4, regression. Press 4, regression. Now when you press 4, it will bring you to this place. Now look at the symbol you're going to work with to get the term you are looking for is option 5, guys. So I'm going to press 5 here. So once you press it, this is what we're going to have. You are good to go. Now press equal to. As I press equal to now, you're going to see the answer. So let's press equal to now. Okay, so as you can see, 63. 63 is what? The third term. Now for the eighth term, same thing. All you simply have to do is to come and adjust, press this button, go to display, remove this 3, delete it and put 8, and get the eighth term. It's as simple as that, guys. The eighth term here is what? We have it to be 15,309. Very simple, guys. Though we already know the first time here is 7. If we still want to verify it, just simply remove this 8 and put 1, and you still see 7. If you want to check the fifth term, it will show you, though the fifth term is already there, this will show you that this is correct. This is very, very accurate, guy. 567, as you can see. So that's how to find number of terms. Okay, guys, what if you want to find the common ratio? Very, very simple, guys. To find a common ratio, all you simply have to do is to, okay, let me say, since we have 2 terms here, and we have the first term to be 7 and the fifth term to be 567. Now, guys, to find the common ratio, very, very simple. Let me just show you. Now, if you are counting values, after 1, the next number you see is what? Is 2. So just remove this 5 and put 2. After the first time, the next time you see is 2. Press 2, then come over to display and put divide, because common ratio is not about division, guys. Ratio is about division. So come here and put division sign, divide. Now, what the value of the first term in this question is 7. Press equal to, you see the common ratio, guys, 3. So either I do it this way, or let's go back, which on that way. Very simple, guys. Now we have the fifth term here. The fifth term here is 567. Now after 5, what are you going to see next is what? 6. That's the sixth term. Remove these 2 and put 6. Now what the value of the fifth term there, which is 567. 567, guys. Very simple. You still get 3 as the common ratio. This will show that it's working very, very well. Okay, so guys, either way we work, we get the right result. Just anyone you want to use, either you make use of the number after the first term and what the value of the first term is in the question, or you make use of the number after the fifth term and what the number in the fifth term is, depending on the question you're giving, guys. So this is just illustrative, so just replicate it on a particular question you are asked, and you get the same result. Hope you are following me. Very, very simple, guys. Okay, that's for common ratio, guys. So having known that, let's find the end term. To find the end term, you say the end term, if the end term is 1791, guys. Okay, very, very simple. To find the end term, what you simply have to do is to press this number 1701. Then you go back to option, come down, regression option 4, Don't forget, guys. Now to find the end time, you go with this symbol under option 4. Don't use this 5, this symbol under 5. Press 4. So you see the end time now. Press equal to end time. Let's see what you're going to give us. 6. So guys, the end time is what? 6. Now because this 6 now is the end time, because it's very, very simple, guys. This 6 is the end time. Okay, let me just show you something now. This is very, very interesting. Okay, let me say they say that 6 is the end time. Okay, let's put 6 here now. Go back to option, go to regression 4. Then this time let's choose option 5 and press equal. You see that we get back to this value 100701. Very, very simple, guys. Interesting. You see 100701. So guys, this is how to find end time. So there's something interesting for this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my subsequent video.